Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our 1964 Mgb Roadster, Mark I, finished in tartan red, red interior, red top, 60-spoke, 14-inch chrome wire wheels, 4-speed car. This is exactly how the car left the factory. Red on red with a red top, so it's built to the heritage certificate. If you'd if you'd like to take a look at that BMIHT certificate we have for the car. California car, it's showing 34,000 original miles according to the previous seller. It's had a very nice cosmetic and partial restoration probably about 8 years ago, 7-8 years ago. Still presenting beautifully, as you can see. So pretty good paint all the way around. A couple little tiny blems just from the age of the restoration, but still presenting beautifully in this tartan red. All the chrome's excellent. We just fitted this new wheel and tire set. So there's $2,000 there worth of wheels and tires that we just fitted to the car. But yeah, really lovely early, as you can see here, early pull door handle model. Doors fit well. Rust-free, very, very straight car, very honest, runs and drives mechanically great. If you want to check out our driving video. But yeah, these early Mgbs with pull door handles, they're the most collectible of the bunch. And this, I believe, still has its original 3-main engine, a non-synchro first gear transmission. So highly original, lovely, well-preserved California car. We bought it out of a collection, I believe, in Michigan with 3 or 4 other cars. And this guy was after just, the best solid, straightest MGs he could get his hands on. So this is one of them here. So, so really good body, really good paint work, excellent chrome, beautiful set of those chrome wire wheels there. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So red leather trim, wool carpets, beautiful original 3 spokes style steering wheel, painted metal dashboard. All the delicious early Mark I features on this Mgb. It's fitted with a deluxe folding soft top frame. Most of these early cars came with just a stick frame that you had to basically stop the car and assemble the soft top and mount the soft top. But this has the early style deluxe folding soft top frame and top fitted, as you can see here. So that's a really nice, desirable added option. But yeah, take a look at this car's undercarriage. Really good, solid car underneath. It's fitted with an Anza sports exhaust system. So that's a really, really cool period feature there. Period accessory, sports accessory. But yeah, there it is. Really good car, really fun for the money, properly priced in this market. Stand back here, and there it is. That's our beautiful 1964 Mgb Mark I Roadster, finished in its original colors of tartan red, red interior, red top, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels. Excellent original, believed low mileage California car from new. Runs and drives great, and it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.